Good morning from Yamazaki Bakery and Cafe in Taito. We are having a little breakfast before heading to the Samurai and Ninja Museum for a samurai sword cutting experience using a 300-year-old sword. Not gonna lie, I was feeling a little bit nervous because I didn't really want to slice myself by accident. We practiced the movement we'd be using with the wooden sword first, and then were guided through the experience by our wonderful instructor.
When you cut through chicken or bread, you don't chop through it, you slice through it, correct? It's gonna be the same as this. We don't want to chop through it. We chop through it, this way. We want it from here, extend our arms, come down, pull here, and slice. Almost like you're drawing a big circle with the tip of your sword. This way. Okay. We soak these in water for 24 hours, so they feel more like a human neck. Yay. So if it's like a human neck, you don't want to go like, want to slice through. So again, from here, pull through. This round, up, down, just down. Bring it up slowly. Point your sword up a bit. Good. And slowly touch. Good. Bring it up slowly. And slowly touch. Good. Bring it up slowly. And it's right there. I'm going to count down. Swing hard after I say one. 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect. Good.
Yeah.
Let's give her a big round of applause. 3, 2, 1, go. Good.
It was pretty exhilarating, I have to say, and we both had a lot of fun with this one. So if you're looking for something really fun to do, I highly recommend this. The Hanazono Inari Shrine, with its vermilion torii gates, is just one of the many beautiful locations tucked inside Ueno Park. If you get here early, you might just get the gates to yourself. The park itself is 300 acres and is home to Ueno Zoo, 6 museums, and Shinabazu Pond. It's the cherry blossom season that draws the most attention, with Sakura season bringing in more than 2 million people to the park. We spent about 3 hours here, and that didn't scratch the surface. We saw the pond, stopped by Benton Hall, and picked up our Goshuinsho books. These books of seals hold original stamps from shrines or temples and make for a beautiful memento. We then headed to Tokyo National Museum by way of a flea market and food stands. At the museum, we saw the exhibit highlights of Japanese art, which included Buddhist statues, painted screens and doors, arms and armor of the samurai, which was very fitting, and we enjoyed an interactive timeline that introduces the visitor to Japanese artwork from the museum. You can zoom in on the artwork with your hand to learn more. It was very Jedi. Our next stop was Akihabara, known for its electronic stores, anime, and manga. It's a gamer's paradise, and we'll have to come back here to spend more time. We checked out some stores and then found ourselves at Yodobashi Akiba, 9 floors of everything, including the French toast factory on the 9th floor, where you can get those wonderful fluffy Japanese pancakes.
This is dinner.
morning, it's day 4, and we are off to Shinjuku and Harajuku today, so it should be an awesome day.
Takeshita Street is directly across from the train station on the Yamanote line. Here you will find teenage culture on display with trendy fashion shops, vintage clothing stores, small shops, crepes, and coffee. But be warned, it's very crowded on weekends.